Good morning, 21. Double D, 21. I got the package, man, and yeah, we'll open it up and see what's in it. This is better than Christmas, man. No, Christmas is wonderful. Dang. Pretty cool box. That's for sure. Wonderful OD Bay. Man, I don't even know if I can open this thing. We'll give it our best shot, though, that's for sure. The old Gerber. I love this knife. If you're not careful with it, it will hurt you. It's hurt me a couple times. Well, I thought I could do this. Got to get something to hold this camera, that's for sure. Well, heck. Need to get that going one of these days here real short, too. I'll put the camera down just for a minute and see if I can open this. Good grief. 21, you did some good wrapping, my friend. Wanted to try to save that, but anyway, shoot. I guess I should have had you email me some instructions on how to open this box. I made a video a while back about looking for a power cord for one of my dad's old radios, a general radio telephone, MC6. And that's cool. Thank you, 21. Yeah, that's me out here in the Mojave Desert, that's for sure. Except need about 100-foot tower next to that thing with the big old 5-element beam. Anyway, back to this. Excellent wrapping, I gotta tell you that. Everybody take note. Need to wrap your whatever it is you're mailing to somebody. And wow. Yeah, double wow. Yep. Dang. That's cool. Thank you, 21. I appreciate that. And yeah, my dad will be happy. He's up there in heaven right now going, well, what'd you ever do with the original power cord? Yeah, I'll make another video. I'm going to plug this in later and see what's going on. And anyway, just a short history of that MC6. My dad in I want to say the summer of 65, bought that general radio telephone MC6. And my mom said, hell no, is what happened. He brought it home, put it in the bedroom, on their dresser, and he was going to hook it up. Had a ground plane and the mast and coax and everything. He bought that radio brand new. And he got so aggravated with my mom that he put the radio and the ground plane in the closet. And the ground plane never got put together. And the radio never got to even get turned on. He put that back in the box and it went in the closet. And many years later, after my dad passed, kind of going through a bunch of old stuff, and I took as much CB radio stuff as I could get that he saved. And that general radio telephone, MC6 was one of them. And I never got to hook it up and enjoy it. And just a while back recently, I decided I'm going to get that thing going. Well, I couldn't find the power cord. And my good friend Double D 21, South Carolina, took it upon himself that I'll see if I could get one. So he researched it and came up with a wiring diagram, even had a book that he wasn't sure he had on the MC6, and made me a power cord. I've never seen a plug like that. I'll make a video of this getting plugged into the radio. The male end is on the back of the radio and this goes into it. So Double D 21, I want to say thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. I've never got to talk to you on the airways, just email and your channel and on the phone, I think. But anyway, Double D 21, South Carolina. Thanks, man.